Be a part of the tile revolution with RevoTile, a new patented floating floor system. Installs 2 times faster with ClickFit technology. Installs in just 3 easy steps. Just place your underlayment. There is no mortar required and no mess. Click tiles together. Install and grout the same day. No return trip necessary. Maximum durability from the original waterproof floor. With all the benefits of porcelain tile. Love the beauty of real porcelain tile with unmatched durability in a variety of premium, high-style looks. Wood, marble, stone, and concrete. And when the full system is used, receive a residential lifetime warranty. Real beauty, real porcelain, real fast. With RevoTile.